Okay guys, now let's go on questions 5 to 8. Complete the sentences below. Choose no more than 2 words. Now we have sentence completion. In the recent IELTS exams, whenever they give you sentence completion, questions and answers are in order. In old IELTS tests, Cambridge IELTS book number 45345, there sometimes they are not in order, otherwise they are in order. So for complete the sentence below, questions and answers should be in order for the most part. What do you have to do? By the way, when you read the first question, find a clue word and locate that clue word in the passage. Once you reach the right part of the passage, then finding the answer to next questions will become easier for you because it's just in order. Let's see. Question number 5. The movement of rural people to cities is a. Look for the word movement, rural people, cities. Movement, rural people, city. Found it? For movement to cities, they use the word urbanization. Try to understand. Movement to city. When people from villages come to cities, that is called urbanization. Now let's read question section B. The impact of unfettered population growth is clear for all to see. Urbanization is now a more evident worldwide phenomenon. What is urbanization? Worldwide phenomenon. So what will be the answer? Worldwide phenomenon. And they mentioned no more than 2 words. Worldwide is 1 word. Worldwide phenomenon. Now for urbanization, they have used the word movement of rural people to cities. So urbanization is a worldwide phenomenon, means all over the world people are moving from villages to cities. And make sure you write the correct spelling. When you are doing IELTS reading, you've got to copy paste the words from the passage. Okay, question number 6 please. Land is now a very dash as a result of growing demand for space. You found the word land. Please locate the word land. Same paragraph, last line. Same paragraph, section B. Same paragraph, last line. Third last line. Now teeming with humanity, they are hungry for one increasingly valuable resource. And what is that? Land. Exactly. Now teeming with humanity, teeming means full of humanity, full of people. They are hungry for one increasingly valuable resource, and that resource is land. So now listen, land is not the answer. The answer is land is now a very valuable resource. Absolutely. Valuable resource. And for very, they use the word increasingly. Underline increasingly, this is the synonym for very. Clear? All right, now let's go on. Question number 7, please. The feeding of human race, feeding means related to agriculture. The feeding of the human race will perhaps be guaranteed by changes in. For changes, they might use the word modification or anything like that. Feeding. Look for the word agriculture. Section B, second paragraph. Found the word agriculture? Now listen. For agriculture, they use the word feeding. All right, let's read it. While developments in agricultural technology ensure humanity may be able by and large to feed. What will ensure? Developments. What will ensure? They said while developments in agricultural technology ensure humanity may be by and large able to feed the people flocking. So what's the question? The question is the feeding of human race will perhaps be guaranteed by changes in. Let's read on. Changing in? Okay. It is actually technology. Let's read on. They said, okay, while developments in agricultural technology ensure humanity may be able to feed. So the answer is going to be agricultural technology. By changes in, what is the word for changes? Developments. Changes and developments, ये note करना है. IELTS की language में they are synonyms. Okay? All right, question number 8. Besides the demands of accommodation, land is needed for various. We need land for accommodation and also we need land for various something. Let's go on. Same paragraph. Not only is more land required for accommodation. Clue word is accommodation. Found it? Okay, now for accommodation, but also for a wide range of infrastructure. So we need land for accommodation and infrastructure. So the answer is infrastructure. Yes, with infrastructure you can write facilities as well because no more than 2 words. Yes, you can write infrastructure, facilities. Okay? Infrastructure facilities like airports and this and that. All right, all good? Fine.